No one wants to spend all day with a dirty cockpit, so in the interests of easier, no fuss interior cleaning, we've developed our new Cockpit Quicky. This is an everyday, quick interior detailer that will make your inner detailing process faster, easier, safer, and way more pleasurable. Its gentle but effective cleaning wipes away dust, fingerprints, and light grime with ease, and it flashes off beautifully, leaving a perfectly clean and streak-free finish with no greasy or sticky residues. There's no harsh chemicals, and it's safe to use on all interior surfaces, even the most delicate ones. Whether you've got leather, vinyl, Alcantara, matte or glossy plastics, touchscreens, carbon fibre, and even wood. It's ideal for fast cleaning of steering wheels, seats, armrests, buttons, or anywhere else that you touch frequently. It kills bacteria and germs, eliminating 99% of the nasty stuff to leave a safer and more hygienic finish wherever it's used. The addition of the latest UV ingredients gives critical protection against our intense local environment, helping prevent sun damage to your dash and other exposed interior surfaces with each and every use. It leaves an anti-static surface that helps repel dust, keeping your interior looking cleaner for longer with a factory fresh feel and low sheen finish. Cockpit Quicky has ingredients that work well to neutralise many unpleasant odours, as well as leaving a fresh and clean Aussie eucalyptus and lemon mint scent. It's made for frequent use and becomes an easy way to maintain our other deeper cleaning, rejuvenating and protective interior products like Vinyl Care, Leather Love and Leather Guard. Using it is fast and easy. You simply spray into a Plush Daddy or Big Softy, wipe over the affected area in an overlapping motion, then flip to the other side to buff off any leftover product. Whether you're looking for a fast detailer, a gentle multi-purpose cleaner, or just something to safely wipe away those greasy marks left on your touchscreen, this 100% proudly Aussie-made bottle of goodness will become your go-to product for safe and speedy interior cleaning. Find it online or in-store at participating retailers. Thanks for watching.